Today you are going to be making the real number system foldable. It looks like this. It requires 4 pieces of paper and it looks similar to this. I'll pop this up again. To help you, you will need your real number system notes. Has all the definitions and stuff on it. You will also need 4 sheets of plain paper. To help you, I have put dots on my corners. You don't need to do that, okay? You will also need a marker and a stapler. Okay, first thing that you're gonna do, start off by separating your 4 pieces of paper so that they're evenly spaced and you have 4 flaps. Like this, see? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you want to try to make sure they're pretty evenly spaced. You don't want them to be too big, so it looks like it's about 1/2 inch. Right? So then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to flip it upside down. And see, now you have these other 4 corners here. You're going to fold it over so that now you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 flaps. Okay, once you have that, simply fold it over and staple the top. Just like that. So, what you're going to put on the top, and this part is important, the very top flap, all you have to do is write the real number system. Okay, so underneath this flap is going to be the definition of your first definition here, natural numbers, or counting numbers. Okay, so you're just going to go through like you have on the sheet where it says natural, whole, integer, rational, irrational, real, and then we're going to put the real number system Venn diagram in here. Okay, so on the top flap, this part, you're writing real number system. Do not write natural there. You write natural on the next one. So I'm going to write natural on this flap. Okay. Then whole. Then integer. Then rational. Then irrational. Then real. And then the last flap, which when you open it will have the biggest spot, that's going to be your real number system Venn diagram. Alright, so now I'm not going to write all the definitions because you have them in front of you, but basically when you flip it upside down, so you look at natural and you say to yourself in your head, what are natural numbers? And then you open it up. And right here is going to be your definition. You're not going to write the word definition. You're putting the definition, and I want you to give some examples. Okay? So then when you open up the next one where it says whole, when you open it up, on that flap that says whole, the definition for whole is going to be there with your examples. Same thing for integer. Definition of integer is going to be there with your examples. So let me show you mine again, my finished one. So you have the real number system. You open it up, it's your counting numbers. I've got some examples. Whole numbers, you open it up, includes all natural numbers and 0. There's some examples. Okay, same thing will happen with integers, rational, irrational, real. The bottom, so like when you open the very bottom, you're going to give the whole Venn diagram. All of that information is on these notes right here. And the Venn diagram is also on the back. If you have any questions, email me.